In the ever-evolving landscape of space exploration, a common question arises amongst enthusiasts and experts alike. Is SpaceX better than NASA? To properly analyze this, we must consider various aspects, including the rockets they produce, their missions, the build processes they employ, their spending practices, and ultimately their overarching goals. In assessing whether SpaceX is better than NASA, we need to delve into these factors to gain a complete understanding. We are going to be discussing about this juicy topic here on Space Expense today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do so. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Let's dive right in, shall we?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When we examine rockets, SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy have established themselves as game changers in the space industry. Falcon 9's reusable technology is a revolutionary step forward, significantly lowering the cost of space travel. By comparing this to NASA's Space Launch System, the SLS, we see that while SLS is designed for deep space missions, its development has faced delays and budget overruns. This raises the question, is SpaceX better than NASA in terms of efficiency and cost effectiveness? Furthermore, SpaceX's Starship, intended for missions to Mars and beyond, showcases their ambitious approach, making many wonder if their innovative rockets truly outshine NASA legacy. Looking at missions, NASA's storied history has seen human spaceflight dating back to the Mercury and Apollo programs. Their Artemis programs aims to bring humans to the moon, but it has faced setbacks and delays. On the other hand, SpaceX has already achieved significant milestones such as the Crew Dragon missions, which successfully transported astronauts to the International Space Station. This achievement raises the bar for private companies. So, in the conversation of whether SpaceX is better than NASA, the answer is very complex, often boiling down to what metrics one values in space exploration. Secondly, let's delve into their build processes. SpaceX employs a unique vertical integration strategy, where much of its production occurs in-house, allowing them to maintain tighter control over quality and timelines. In contrast, NASA often collaborates with multiple contractors for their projects, which can complicate timelines and efficiency. Again, we must consider, is SpaceX better than NASA when it comes to building processes? Their ability to iterate quickly and recover from failures in record time seems to give them an edge in this regard. Now, in terms of spending and budgetary practices, NASA has traditionally operated within government funding structures, which can sometimes lead to bureaucratic slowdowns and cost overruns. SpaceX, as a private entity, is often viewed as being more nimble and cost-effective, with clear milestones and defined budget for contracts. Their success in securing commercial contracts, including partnership with NASA, demonstrates a new dynamic in funding space exploration. Considerably cheaper launch costs for SpaceX rockets have potential customers taking notes, suggesting that in the financial landscape of spaceflight, SpaceX could hold a significant advantage over NASA. Finally, we must consider the ultimate goal of both companies. NASA's goal remains ambitious: enhance human understanding of space and guarantee the safety of long-term space travel. Meanwhile, SpaceX's vision is more commercially driven, with a focus on colonizing Mars and making human a multiplanetary species. This divergence in overreaching missions also feeds into the conversation on whether SpaceX is better than NASA. Are we looking at a new era in space where commercial companies can drive explorations faster and cheaper than government organizations? In conclusion, the question, is SpaceX better than NASA, is not one with a straightforward answer. It is essential to recognize the unique strengths and weaknesses of both companies. SpaceX's innovative rockets, rapid mission achievements, efficient build processes, and cost-effective approach seems formidable. However, NASA's historic powers, ambitious goals, and robustness in human spaceflight missions remain impressive and invaluable. In this current age of transformation in the space sector, it might be more fitting to consider how SpaceX and NASA could complement each other rather than simply comparing who is better. Ultimately, they each hold vital roles in the future of space exploration, and together, they might just be capable of achieving wonders far beyond our current understanding of the universe. Thank you for staying with us to the end. I appreciate you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Now, before you leave, watch this video right here. This was my previous video and it was a banger. And I will talk to all of you all in our next episode. Thank you for staying with us.